Hi guys, let's draw the head using this simple method. I will draw a circle first. This will serve as our guide in drawing the head. You can use a compass or trace round object to create a circle if you are not comfortable drawing it with freehand. Let's find the center. This will be the location of the eyebrows. Cut the other half into three. Mark the 2/3. The nose will be drawn here. I will also cut the other half of the circle into three. Mark the 2/3. This will be the hairline. Bring down the measurement from eyebrows to nose. This will be the chin. From hairline to nose, I am going to draw a circle. Since this person is looking a little bit on the sideways, the circle will move, so it will look like an oblong. We will draw the ears between the eyebrows and nose. Then find the center and then draw the line. This will be the center of the face. There you go. We have created the base structure of the head. I will create another video for the face with eyes, nose, lips, hair, and ears. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos.